How to change keyboard color on MSI laptop. In this video, I'll show you how to change keyboard color on MSI laptop. So to get started, go ahead and install or open MSI Center. So go ahead and head over to msi.com/landing/MSI Center and you'll be able to find this option to download the MSI Center into your device. So download MSI Center from MSI support page. And then once you have downloaded this app, go ahead and launch it on your device. Now, once you've launched the MSI Center on your device, go ahead and open the Features tab. And then from the Features tab, go ahead and click on Mystic Light under Utility section. So first click on Utility and then select Mystic Light. And then select your keyboard from the list of components. After that, customize lighting effects. So choose from various effects like static, breathing, rainbow, wave, or reactive. And then pick your desired color, brightness, and speed. You can also set per key colors if your model supports it. And lastly, apply and save settings. So click on that apply button at the bottom right of the pop-up to activate your new lighting setup, and your keyboard should now reflect the changes instantly. And that is how you can basically change keyboard color on MSI laptop.